Today we're this beautiful, gorgeous home in Humble, Texas, here at the Groves. Check out this house. What they're gonna get you under $400,000. It's 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Here is a beautiful open floor plan. As you can see here, we got beautiful grayish floor, wood floor, grayish granite countertop, and there's me. And I love the cabinetry's very modern look. And then, of course, a lot of space cabinetry inside as well. You see how beautiful that is?
It is.
Look at this.
I love it.
Yep. The wood floors, the high ceiling, open concept. What I love about this place is it's connected everywhere you
all
go.
Open doors.
Yes.
Multiple ways to get in
Yes.
and out.
The washer and dryer located right next to the kitchen, and it's connected to the walk-in closet of the primary bedroom. We have a lot of shelf, a lot of hanging place, and it's connected to the beautiful primary bedroom. We do have the walk-in shower connected with our garden tub. And this is another walk-in closet. So as you can see, we do have his and her closet. A large primary bedroom with windows. Give you that natural light kick in.